instrument commercial, 2,000 hours in high-performance aerobatic aircraft, United States Unlimited Aerobatics team member, and of course the youngest female ever. This year, winning the silver medal at the Women's World Championships, placing third overall with Team USA. And watch her fly now as she climbs into the vertical, rolling one way, then the other, managing energy all the way to the top gyroscopically. Now she's running out of energy, so she twists that airplane around and starts to head back down to the earth. That builds up the energy, the speed she needs to crisply and precisely get the air, and then completes this big pushing and pulling G's and pulling out of it like it's nothing. Now she slides across the sky and then snaps the airplane around and continues sliding and still has the energy to do it because she's watching the numbers. As she gets to the very top with all the horsepower that airplane's got, she fights gravity to stay up there. But she's sliding backwards and still controlling the airplane. Although again, it is not flying. It's falling with style, but it's not flying. It's still not flying. She's got to get the airspeed up over the wings, and now she's connected again and flying. Got a big enough ledge, you can see she's smiling from ear to ear. She's at her happiest when she's flying. Wave to Melissa Pemberton! And again, those negative G's, hello lunch, hello breakfast all over again. As the bile goes up into your throat, she fights to keep that down. Some of our pilots actually see.
Natuurlijk, en ook het applaudisseren van zodra ze de cockpit verlaat, als ze de cockpit open is en rechts staat. Een groot applaus, want ik denk dat dit wel toch wel een van de summen was van de luchtacrobatie dat we hier vandaag tentoongespeeld gekregen hebben van Melissa Pemberton. En ook natuurlijk het eerste gedeelte samen met de echtgenoot Rex, de glijmanoeuvre van Rex, en zij die dus capriolen uitvoert rond haar eigen echtgenoot. We zeggen wel een koppel avonturiers, zou ik zo wel zeggen.
Check Rex out there.
Komende van het 301 applausjesman voor rechtstreeks gestationeerd met Hilderij. Het voorschrift van 7 voor de voorstelling van een fantastische